Today happens to be another moving day.
Some may think that moving as much as we do just becomes routine. I assure you, prepping a 42-foot, 20,000-pound RV and a 20-foot plus truck can never be considered routine.
We might be in for a little weather tonight, but we'll see. I'm tickled to death because I'm still alive. Wow. Today happens to be another moving day. We're going to be heading over to a big park in Mesa. And as empty as this park is, I think that the one in Mesa is going to probably be pretty much the same. The weather's been pretty comfortable, but it's going to be a little bit hotter today. So we're going to see how we do. We always have the Jenny to fall back on if we need it, but we should do all right. We'll check it out.
Have you noticed anything different yet? I'll give you a hint. It's about this video. Not sure? Chris will fill you in a minute. This time, Chris retrieves the camera and an old dish towel.
Got into Monte Vista without any problems, and yeah, it's definitely not very full, but look at the horizons. We might be in for a little weather tonight, but we'll see.
Hey, we love our Dishy. What do you use for internet? Comment below. Quick question to our viewers on flag etiquette. Is it proper that another country's flag be displayed at the same height as our country's flag? Just saying.
Smiling? You bet. And guess why? We did it. We've made it. We've done it for a whole nother year. I'm tickled to death because I'm still alive. Everything seems to be working and doing fairly well. We're into our season number 8, and this has just been fantastic. Everything here at the park is kind of relaxed and empty, but you know what? It's wonderful. Now, when I talk about season 8, that's for the seasons that we've gone actually full-time. We've been doing part-time for 2 seasons before that. So if you look at everything all together, it's season number 10. But it was real hard for me to learn how to do videos. So my very first video out was about 6 months in the making, and it lasted about 3 minutes. and man, was it rough and raw. Then the next one was 3 months in the making, and a little bit better. And then I finally got to where I could do it one a month, and then eventually one a week, and that's where I've stayed continuing making videos. So we're learning, we're getting it done, and it's only because of the help from some very wonderful people that have been here on our channel that have made everything absolutely worthwhile. We have been tickled to death with all the good people that have shown up to talk to us virtually every day. We're always getting some amazing comments from some very, very wonderful folks, and we've made some awfully amazing friends. This RVing has just been a game changer and a life changer for us. We're so appreciative of everyone out there who's helped to make this channel what it is today. Thank you all so very much. We'll talk at you later. So I'm guessing they've got a serious problem with their slide out. Wow. What a shame. That's a pain in the rear end. Looks like it's a Schwintek. Could be wrong. Some of the sounds have changed out here. If you look around, you can see there's nobody out playing ball. One guy hitting some tennis balls around, but for the most part, there's no one. Instead, I hear the ping of a softball off of an aluminum bat. Must be softball season. Interesting how things change over time.
So many amenities at this park. Insiders, we so appreciate your contributions.
I just wanted to thank our patrons again for helping me get back into shape. For those of you that don't know, I've been diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. My doctors and treatments have been very aggressive, and it's taken its toll on me. One of the things that my doctors have insisted on is that I start working out to help mitigate the effects of the treatment and the disease. I've been using the local gyms here at the RV parks, but it's been hit or miss with crowds this winter. But we may have found a workaround. Your contributions to this channel have helped me to pick up a really good quality set of 50-pound weights. They're called power blocks. I've mentioned them in a previous video. Yeah, I got them on Facebook Marketplace. This has allowed me to increase from 0 to 1 times a day to 3 times or more a day as far as working out. It is making a big difference. So once again, thank you so very much for contributing to my recovery. How does that saying go? Start small, but start now? Let me know if you can see a difference too. I know Shelley has, and I'm pretty sure I can see it as well. Thank you guys.
If you've stuck around till now, how about giving us a hype and subscribing if you're not already? Please, travel safe.